I'm about to do the rock wall.
I ain't doing it. Okay.
She don't need to do it. She don't need to do it. So I'm gonna climb one of these guys, but the one on the opposite side. I'm gonna ask to see which one the hardest one is, because that's the one I want to do.
So you guys, here go Danny. He's finna get ready to do the rock climbing. He did it so fast on Oasis of the Sea. And there he goes. You like a little ninja.
I did it. She told me what the hardest one was all the reds going up. It was challenging, I'm not gonna lie, my muscle was a little shaking at the top, but I made it. I made it.